What's up guys, Dion here with Toyo Tires. Now I don't get to do a lot of these videos because I'm usually producing content for our channel. I wanted to give you guys a quick rundown of my Mazda Miata project. I actually took this to SEMA last year. I built this car in 1 month. 1 month. Bought the car, built it, took it to SEMA. So everything that you see here, I did by myself.
There you go, everything installed.
Except for the paint. Long at LTMW, his guys did that and they did a great job. This is a Ferrari Rosso Red and it looks amazing on the car. Wheel setup wise, we have CCW Classics. These are 16 by 10, 16 by 12 on Toyo R888Rs. The tires are kind of stretched. Kind of is, kind of, I still say kind of. It's fairly stretched and we don't recommend you doing that, but we also can't control what you do with your car. So I like the stancy look, I like the fitted look, I like the race look, so I like them all. My Cayman, for example, is fairly fitted. Here's a quick shot of these craft square mirrors. A lot of people ask me where I got these, and I actually got it from Yahoo Auctions Japan. I got a buddy who lives in Tokyo, and he got it for me and sent it over before I left for SEMA. So surprisingly, they fit the car. They really kind of give that car a different look, because the stock mirrors are gigantic. They're very bubbly and they just look weird. Now this body kit is from Miura-san, or TRA Kyoto.
TRA 三浦です。この車は EG6。
This is the MX-5 or Miata Rocket Bunny kit. Very bubbly, very wide, and very period correct. I mean, it flows with the car. I think this is probably one of his best kits, because you know sometimes people will design body kits, just slap it on and call it a wide body, but this one actually fits the car like really nice. It goes with the lines, and it just complements the car. There's a lot of things that you can't see on this car, such as the suspension setup. Like, come on man, look at that, that's ridiculous. That's from the coilovers from AST suspension, the control arms from V8 Roadsters, the sway bar, and the bracing that you see there, and the exhaust systems from Racing Beat. Racing Beat's been doing a lot of rotary stuff and Mazda parts for, gosh, over 20 years? So, yeah man, that's basically it. I mean, the inside's very OE plus looking, it's very clean. There's nothing crazy here except for the IRP shifter. It looks like a sequential shifter, but it's not. That is just an H-pattern short shifter. These are the Recaro Pro Racer Hans Kevlar buckets on PCI mounts, which is nice because usually when you put a big ass seat like this on this car, it'll hit the door panel, but no issues there. Very clean, very just OE plus interior. Oh, and I kept my OE tape deck. Tape deck's awesome. What else? Oh, the gauge cluster. So these gauge faces, these are from Rev Limiter. They're really cool. You just basically pop out your gauge and then take out the faces and replace them. We have seat belts or harnesses from HMS Motorsports. Love these things. And I got like a little fire extinguisher mount back there. A lot of people ask me about my engine bay, and I have nothing in it. I mean, it's pretty clean. as far as being factory, really. That's wrapped in microfiber right now because I'm working on my lines and I don't want brake fluid to just leak and eat my paint. Here's a Racing Beat intake, CSF cooling radiator, and really that's about it. I'm going LS, so not really necessary. This roll cage is from Zarek Fabrication. Really good stuff, really awesome quality, and his welds are amazing. So in the next month or 2 or 3, this thing will have an LSX power plant.